it's a very proud moment for me to be a member of parliament in this temple of democracy for us. I wish to convey my very grateful thanks to the Honorable President of India and our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, for thinking that I am capable of taking this responsibility. I believe it is a great responsibility because we have to be accountable to the people. We have to serve the interests of the people of India. And that is what I will attempt to do. I will attempt to take my experience, what expertise I have, and contribute in every possible manner in the proceedings in the Rajya Sabha and in Parliament, in the interest of the people, in the interest of our nation, and in the interest of supporting what I believe to be the very, very successful policies of the government of Narendra Modi ji. So I have, watched all of this not from the point of view of government, because I'm not in government, but as an observer, and I have commented also on television very often on this issue. I do believe that this is one of the very successful operations that we have conducted. The main purpose of the operation was counter terrorism. That is why on the first evening, there were very pinpointed strikes on terrorists and terrorist infrastructure in the heart of Pakistan. We were successful in eliminating some of the high-value terrorists that are part of the UN's proscribed list of terrorist entities and individuals. After that, when Pakistan escalated the conflict, we responded very, very firmly. I think the sort of response that we could undertake compelled Pakistan to seek a ceasefire. So I think from all accounts, our operation was a successful one. We don't have to go into the nitty-gritty of that, because the larger picture is that. And I think also unity of our nation, unity of thought on this issue is very important, because we are projecting ourselves against adverse forces, and those adverse forces are becoming more organized as we speak, and our country has to be one on this issue. When I went with the all-party delegation, I saw that all parliamentarians, whether they were from the ruling party or opposition, spoke in one voice. They were united, and they went out and conveyed a very, very strong message that when it comes to issues of national importance, we are one. There is no two ways about it. My delegation itself had some very stalwart members of parliament. Osaduddin Owaisi was there, Ghulam Nabi Azad was there, others were there. They spoke very forcefully on this issue. And this is what I believe is the true nature of what we should be doing, because we are facing some very, very adverse challenges in the global situation. And as a country, as a people, we should be one on this issue. And I hope the discussions in Parliament will be constructive, that they will lead to further unity, and they will send a strong message to our adversaries that we will not tolerate any more terrorist attacks against us, against our territory. And if there is such an attack, then our response will be very firm. There is a new normal, and this new normal will ensure that there is a deterrence to such terrorist action, and that the government and the people of India will not tolerate any more of this adventurism or using terrorism as an instrument of policy by Pakistan or any other country.